You know, the last few days, I feel like we're kind of in that seasonal in-between where we're not quite ready to embrace the warmth and the sunshine that is often spring, but kind of being just guarded, not knowing what's coming next.
I have heard this called a combination of spring and winter, sprinter, if you will.
Sprinter, okay.
Yep, just another sprinter day, although this was more spra than inter. Ray, right?
Yeah, and we're going to have more of the spra than the inters for the next couple days, but get ready for a little more inter later on in the forecast. Now we have this light rain that's stretched across the area, and most of this is very light at this point. So just some light rain. As you look down to the south towards Morgantown, it does start to pick up in intensity. You see those yellows there? So a couple pockets where it's a little steadier, but overnight we are going to probably see some of this heavier rain trying to move in. Temperatures right now are generally in the mid to upper 50s. These are very typical numbers for this time of year. So we get the 55 here in Pittsburgh, Cranberry's at 58, Butler's at 57, as well as Aliquippa, Katanning, and Irwin. It's 55 in Greensburg. Washington has 53, 55 for Morgantown. Now, Futurecast does show this steadier rain starts to lift in here, and over the next few hours, we're going to start even seeing some of this yellow, which is an indication of some of the steadier, heavier rain trying to move into Pittsburgh, and even some out into the ridges. So over the next several hours, we are going to see the rain pick up for a bit, but it starts to dry up by about 5-6 a.m. tomorrow. So I think once we get into the morning commute, we'll dry it up. We'll keep the good portion of the day dry, and then later tomorrow, we're talking after 4 o'clock, rain and thunderstorms begin to redevelop, and some of these thunderstorms could bring down some heavy rain, but we're not anticipating widespread severe weather as of right now. But we'll watch it real close. But you can see at times tomorrow evening into early Thursday morning, some of this rain could be rather hefty at times, and that'll continue to work out of here during the course of the day on Thursday. So still some hit or miss showers around on Thursday, but generally we'll get some breaks in there. Temperatures tonight, they go down to the mid to upper 40s, so it's going to be a mild night everywhere. And tomorrow, those temperatures lift up even more. We get close to 70 degrees, but mid to upper 60s in most spots, with the ridges stuck in the 50s. But temperatures pretty warm for this time of year into tomorrow. And again, it's later when we see some rain. But from there, our temperatures start to take a little bit of a dive. And Saturday morning, we could see some rain and snow before our temperatures start to warm up again. And I know you're like, where's the warm air? Well, as we get into much later parts of the forecast, we're talking April 13th to the 19th, we do have the potential for some warm air to be nearby. So we'll have that going for us. But also in that same week, our precipitation chances look to be a little above average as well. So it is going to be a setup where I think we're going to see plenty of April showers this month. 49 degrees for tonight. Those showers will continue at times. That rain will be heavy. Tomorrow, early rain, late rain. The middle of the day looks pretty good with those temperatures in the upper 60s. And the 7-day forecast shows we go from those upper 60s to the lower 60s to the 50s to the 40s. That's the progression through the rest of this week. Saturday morning is where we get that rain snow potential going on, but I think we'll start to wrap up that precipitation and bring back some sunshine. So the second half of the weekend looks brighter, temperatures near average there, and then above average temperatures for Monday and Tuesday of next week as we get back into the upper 60s and low 70s.